Your ability to be able to socialize with anybody that you encounter in your day-to-day is an invaluable skill set. It's going to help build social confidence. It's going to put you into momentum. It's going to get your conversation skills to a really high level. And that's what's ultimately going to put you in a position to capitalize when the real opportunities come. Me personally, I was very antisocial. I watched a lot of content. I would walk around waiting to see the really attractive girl, and then I would be so in my head that I wouldn't even be able to approach her. And so in today's video, I want to show you some footage of my first interaction of the day that literally happened in the elevator. And I want to break down the simple structure that I use to interact with pretty much anybody. This is not just to land dates, but this is the ability to start interactions at will. This is a superpower that will ultimately set you up in life to network with high-level individuals, make more friends, and ultimately attract women into your life as well. So let's get into the beginning of this interaction. Come on in, guys. Welcome. Where are you headed?
42, please. Thank you.
42. I like your flowers. So the very first thing to note is that when they're coming into the elevator, I'm already greeting them. And this is not just elevator game, guys. I want to show you that this skill set you can use in anywhere in your day-to-day life. This could be used in the gym. This could be you walking down the street. This is in the elevator. This is in your apartment building lobby. This is in a networking event, like anywhere. The moment you see somebody from a distance, you can just give them a greeting. It actually sets the tone. I think it becomes more weird when you see someone and you let more time go by and then they're around you and you haven't said anything, and then you start to get in your head about what's the opener, what am I going to approach with, is it good enough, and then you don't even say anything. So my advice is, if you see somebody walking down the street, if there's somebody in your apartment building, if there's somebody in the elevator with you, if there's somebody near you at the gym, you can just give them a greeting. You could literally just say, hey, what's going on? Or in this particular case, I said, hey guys, what's going on? Welcome. Right, I greeted them into the elevator. A practical, easy step I even tell my clients and guys that watch my YouTube channel is, hey, you can start practicing this the moment you leave your house. If there's people walking by you, just start giving out greetings. Say, hey, good morning, good afternoon. Give out a compliment. Hey, I really like your dog. Hey, by the way, I actually really like your jacket. I like your style. I like your fashion. Start getting in the habit of throwing out these phrases to people without this intention of, hey, I'm doing this so I can land dates. No, you're doing this to push yourself, to push your comfort zone, and to ultimately build your social confidence. You guys need to understand that 99% of my social confidence was built interacting with people outside of the really hot woman. I need to say that again. 99% of my social confidence, my communication, my vibe, my charisma, my ability to interact with the world, that skill set was built almost entirely off of interacting with other people, not the attractive women. Now, it is an important skill set to talk to attractive women as well, but if you're only waiting for those tiny 1% opportunities, you're just so in your head and you're so antisocial the rest of your day. That's why I wanted to show this video on this channel. This is how you can actually start everyday interaction. It starts with a greeting. The next thing I did was I gave a compliment based off of an observation. The woman came into the elevator, she had some flowers. So I just said, hey guys, welcome in. I like your flowers. Now let me show you where this goes. I like your flowers.
Oh, thank you. They're not for me.
They're not for you?
No,
or you got them for a good? Okay. Are they real? I think so, right?
Of course.
You just got the fresh water from Mother Nature.
Exactly.
Nice. What's the occasion? I'm actually asking quite a bit of questions. I actually said, oh, what's the occasion? Oh, where'd you get the flowers? I do slip in a little bit of input. I don't just bombard them with questions, but honestly, I'm asking a decent amount of questions. Now, part of that reason is I'm not even warmed up yet for the day. This is one of the first interactions of the day. But the other thing is it's okay to ask questions. You can ask a couple questions, you give a little bit of input, you sprinkle in a joke, or you relate it back to a story about your own. So in this particular instance, I was like, oh, are they real? And she said, yeah. I said, oh, you just got the fresh water from Mother Nature, because we had just stepped out to go film, but it turned out it was already pouring, so we came back inside. So I made a joke about the rain, and then I asked them, oh, what's the occasion? When you give a friendly, warm greeting initially and people respond positive, it sets the tone that you can actually carry a little bit of conversation. Now, if you're barely approaching, if you're not able to extend these interactions, if you're not creating attraction, if you're not doing any of these things, click the link down below and apply to work with me directly so I can help you build up your social confidence and ultimately start landing dates from your in-person interaction. Now, let's see where this goes. What's the occasion?
Her birthday.
Oh, okay. Nice. Are you visiting, or you live here too?
We're going to the same birthday.
Got
Visiting.
it. Okay, where'd you come in from?
Work.
Oh, I thought you meant you were visiting like here. You're just.
No.
Oh, you guys are both in Miami?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
My friend's visiting. He's
I'm from Belgium, yeah.
He's from Belgium, yeah.
Belgium?
Yeah.
Kyle, where's all the flirtiness? Where's the intent? Why aren't you picking up this girl and setting up a date? It's okay to not flirt in every single interaction, guys. Honestly, it's okay. And I think some of you guys just don't have enough of this type of conversation in your day-to-day to the point where you put so much pressure on yourself. Like these particular women, honestly, full transparency, they're not my personal preference in women. These are not women that I'm that attracted to. They're not women that I want to date. But that doesn't mean they're not people that I can start conversation with and start to become a better conversationalist and practice opening and practice some humor. So I did ask a couple questions. I asked where they were from, asked them what's going on. They said that they're going to their friends' like meetup. That's why they got the flowers. I then pointed out that my cameraman's actually visiting me from Belgium. Shout out to Jonah. But this is the beginning of a conversation. We're 45 seconds in. This is actually the type of conversation of how you would start to make friends, by the way. And also the other thing I wanted to point out is even if I was attracted to these women, this is probably how I would start an interaction in the elevator. The girl would not come into the elevator and I'm like, wow, you look really cute. It's just too soon. In that type of environment, in your apartment building, at the gym, in these places, you want to get comfortable having indirect conversation with pretty much anybody. If you start to build up the vibe and it turns out you are attracted to them, yeah, you can sprinkle in some intent, and I have several videos on my channel showing you how to transition that. But I also wanted to show you guys, it's okay to not flirt with the girl. In fact, you probably aren't having enough of this type of conversation in your day-to-day, because if you did this in enough environments, you did this at the gym, you did this in your apartment building or in the elevator, you did this at the grocery store, you did this at the dog park, you did this at the bookstore, you did this on your daily commute. If you were just social like this, you'd be surprised how many friends you can meet. And then also the women that you're attracted to, you could then sprinkle in the intent, right? So let me show you how this plays out. My friend's visiting. He's
I'm from Belgium, yeah.
He's from Belgium, yeah.
Belgium?
Yeah.
Wow.
You're US.
Colombia.
Chile.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's always Latinas here. Nobody from Europe, yeah.
Enjoy.
Yeah, you guys too. Everybody.
Take care.
Are you going up still? Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Me too.
very cool Belgium.
One other thing is after a couple seconds of conversation, I did acknowledge the friend as well. So group engagement is also very good to do in any environment. Even if you're at the gym and somebody's nearby, if they hear you being social, I want you guys to practice the skill set of being able to pivot to the other person and bring them into the conversation. It really demonstrates leadership characteristics that are very attractive. And if you're already social with somebody, it's very easy to bring more people into the conversation. Like people actually want to socialize. It was a weird mindset shift for me initially because I was very antisocial. Cold approach was an unheard of thing for me, but even just socializing like this was very crazy for me for a long part of my journey. And also, it was a small detail, but the other person that was in the elevator ended up leaving, and I also told them, hey, have a good day. Like really just start practicing giving out greetings and compliments to people in your day-to-day. It honestly can transform your life. You know what's funny is when I first started studying content on YouTube like 10, 11 years ago, when I would watch these other dating coaches, nobody was talking about this concept. They were just showing the approaches in the pickup. I felt like I was one of the main pioneers of this concept of, hey, it's not just about the hot girl. It's about being the social guy in your day-to-day, not trying to flip the switch and put on the pickup guy outfit a Friday night at midnight. Like, be the social guy, become charismatic and confident talking to everybody, and then from that you can actually have the skill set to then get the really attractive girl as a byproduct of that.
Very cool Belgium.
Well, I'm in Miami for a reason. I wouldn't say Belgium is cool. I prefer it here, so.
Miami is overhyped.
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
How long you been here?
4 years and a half, 5 almost.
Yeah, I feel like after you get over that first like year or so,
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
but
You'll be over it.
yeah.
Bye.
Take care,
Guys
guys.
around, bye.
And so this was 1 minute and 20-second interaction just on the elevator. It wasn't anything crazy. There was no flirting, but I just wanted to show you guys the skill set of giving out greetings, giving out a compliment, assuming the burden of carrying the conversation, giving yourself permission to do that with people you're not even attracted to, and then also showing you it's okay to ask questions. It's not a big deal. I wasn't needy in this interaction. It was a good vibe. And honestly, if you do this enough with enough people and you get name introductions and you see these people over and over again, like this is literally how you can make friends. This is how you could take over a venue. This is how you can become that guy in the work environment, in the gym environment, in the classroom environment. Like I don't show enough of this on my channel, and that's why I wanted to make this video specifically for this one concept, because as important as pickup is and being able to approach women and land dates, guys, I cannot ignore the fact that this is equally as important And it's also a necessary step. Unless you live in a really, really populated area where you could just do direct approaches all day on attractive women, like that's okay if that's really your only goal. But I have just met countless people, like legit friends that I am still close with to this day, off of interactions like this. People at the gym that I opened like this. I made an observation, I asked a question, we had a back and forth conversation that led to a name introduction. The next time I saw that person, we had another conversation, and before you know it, we were actually hanging out. So do not ignore this. In fact, you need to make it a goal to do this exact thing that you saw in this video 5 times per day. You do this 5 times a day, and your life will transform, I swear to God, guys. Now, obviously, this is just the tip of the iceberg. To actually navigate a conversation and create attraction with a woman, flirt with her, get her phone number, set up dates is a whole nother skill set. So if you want to be able to do that, check out this video here. Or if you're somebody who just wants to get better with all of these things, you want more social confidence, you want more charisma, you want to be able to attract women, you want to land dates, that is my expertise. That is what I spent the last decade mastering that skill set, and now I coach other men to do the same. So if you want that in your own life, click the link down below and apply to work with me directly. That's all for this video, fellas. Get out there and be social. See you in the next one.